How to compress videos on phone without losing quality. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can compress video on phone without losing quality. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. So to compress videos on phone, you will actually need to download apps. So there are multiple apps available in the market. First is CapCut. This is one of the most popular ones. You can open up your CapCut, start a new project by tapping on new video, select a video which you want to compress, then tap on add. After you've done that, if you want, you can make some edits. So after you're done, what you'll need to do is you can export the video by reducing the size. So you can tap on the top here. You'll find the edits you can make. So you can keep the resolution at high. You can change the bit rates and frameworks, and you can see the estimated file size. So if we decrease the frame rate, the estimated size will also go down. And similarly, it's the same for bitrate as well. So you can simply lower down some part of your frame rate and bit rate and then export it. So doing that will just decrease your file size without affecting any of your resolutions. And then you can tap on the export to export it. So this is just one app. The other one is called a Panda video compressor, which you can get from Google Play Store. Download it and open it up. After you open it up, you can now compress this. I'll just skip it and I'll just continue. So give it access. All you have to do is choose a video, then tap on next. After you do that, you can now choose what type of compression you want. So keep it at large file for the best quality. You can also fit to messenger apps like this. You can fit to emails. There are multiple options. And finally, after you're done with your required conditions, you can tap on next. After you tap on next, it will start compressing the video. Tap on compress, and there we go. And that's how you compress videos using Panda compressor. And it's pretty simple as well. It can take some time, but after it's done, your video will be compressed without losing much of its quality. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.